heading north, almost, we just entered the Emerald Cove RV resort. It's off to the right, about a quarter mile up the road here is the entrance to it, but off to the right you can see the RV resort. It is a massive RV resort, 800 and something RV sites, all flat. Here we are right here. We are really liking this resort. You're pulling in for the first time and you need to register. You're going to go off to the right there, and you just stay in your RV, and there's a person that'll check you in at the window. If you've already registered, you'll come through the left-hand side like I'm doing now. This is Emerald Cove RV Resort. It's part of the Resort Parks International membership. If you're a 1,000 Trails member, that's one way you can get a Resort Parks International membership. Take it down this way. This is the general store. Looks like they're getting ice delivery right now. I'm going to give you a walking tour of some of the key amenities, but this place is so massive, I thought a driving tour would be a heck of a lot quicker. Unlike some of the other RV resorts we've looked at in the Lake Havasu, Colorado River Valley area, this one is pretty much completely flat. These are restrooms off to the right. There's a small laundry, the main laundry. Melody did laundry this morning. Is down at the other end, and I'll take you down there. Straight ahead is the Colorado River, and you have quite a few RV sites right on the Colorado River. They're full hookup too. Off to the right, you're going to see my rig here. That's my Cougar. Right in there. Just giving you a short little glimpse here. I'll give you a walking tour. You'll see a lot better. Go back down through here. You can see what some of these riverside RV sites look like. Okay, so that may get you a little glimpse there. Now I'm going to spin around. I'm going to take you down to the other end of the park and show you what that end looks like. There's 3 different rows on this end. We're just going to cut through a site here instead of going clear around. Yellow building off to the left, there's a mini golf, pretty nice mini golf there, and that's the activity center. We had breakfast there this morning, very reasonably priced hot breakfast. Some mornings they have omelets. This morning they had sausage, egg, and cheese and French toast. Melody had French toast. said, there's 800 sites. Plenty to do in the area. We did a day trip to Lake Havasu, went up to spend some time at the London Bridge area right on the water. That's a really upbeat area, great vibe. Looks like it would have pretty decent nightlife. We had lunch. There was a pet-friendly restaurant right on the water there. This is the laundromat right here in the dog park. That's the dog park. That's the laundromat. Very clean laundromat. Melody, I think she was running 5 washers this morning. Got it all done in about an hour and 45 minutes. It's a coin laundry. I'll throw some photos of the laundromat, inside the laundromat in the video. Going back down on this end of the waterfront. Well landscaped. You have lots of palm trees. You have a really upbeat tiki bar. We're gonna go there for happy hour, early afternoon. This is a really nice resort. Melody really liked this as soon as we pulled in. Cove RV Resort. Remember, Resort Parks International, $10 a night, no tax, no additional fees. Paid $30 when I pulled in. You can make a reservation. I think it was 90 days in advance for this one. Okay, so that gives you a little driving tour. Look at those mountains behind us. That's what I have when I sit outside. I'm looking at that. Let's go back, park the truck, and then I'm going to show you some stuff on foot. Be back soon. Arizona, heading back to Emerald Cove RV Resort. Off to the left is the Parker Dam, a hydroelectric dam that creates Lake Havasu. We're just about ready to cross it. It's a really narrow bridge. Sun's going down at Emerald Cove RV Resort. Peaceful Colorado River tonight. Little duckies in the water. It's a really nice RPI Resort Parks International Resort. They got a tiki bar. Got to check out the hot tub. Really looking forward to our visit.